Hey guys, it's Cameron. Welcome to the 12th Christmas in Cameron Miss video. I hope you guys are all well tonight, and I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, whatever it is you guys did. So, for tonight's Christmas video, I will be telling you guys 3 scary Blizzard horror stories. So yeah, that's what tonight's video is going to be about. So yes, I will be telling you guys 3 scary true Blizzard horror stories. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And as you guys see, I have my elf hat on, even though it's a little bit too small for me. So yeah, it's a little too small for my head. And I can't believe Saturday is going to be Christmas. Man, I can't believe this year is almost over. I'm gonna be so sad whenever this year ends. But I'm gonna be so sad whenever Christmas ends. Because I don't want Christmas to end. Just like I didn't want Halloween to end. But yeah, I can't believe Saturday is actually Christmas Day. This month is going by super fast. I wish this year would just slow down, but it's too late. And I bet next year will go by fast too. But I hope 2022 is going to be a better year for all of us. I hope it will. We'll see if 2022 is going to be a better year for all of us. But without further ado, let's just get on with these Blizzard horror stories. So let's begin. Story number 1. A young couple was driving out on a blizzard winter evening. It was super white outside. There was lots of snow on the ground and on the street. While they were driving out into the blizzard, they were going to the store to get something during the blizzard storm. While the boyfriend is driving his truck to the store, he happened to catch a glimpse of something. So yeah, he caught a glimpse of something on the road. He had no idea what it is or what he had seen, but it sent a major chill down his spine. So yeah, it looked like it was a ghostly woman. So it looks like it was a ghostly woman that he saw on that he have seen on the road. Him and his girlfriend have seen it on the road in the blizzard. So yeah, there was lots of snow on the ground. But they make it to the store, and they were getting whatever they needed. So yeah, they got whatever they needed from the store, and they went. So yeah, they got back into the truck, and they safely made it back home. Oh yeah, they did not see the ghostly woman. So yeah, they didn't see the ghostly woman whenever they made it back home. Wait, hold on a second. There's something on TV that I see. Okay, so the couple was glad that they did not see the ghostly woman on the road during the blizzard storm. So yeah, they were at home having hot cocoa and some marshmallows, which does sound really good. I love hot cocoa and marshmallows, to be honest. But yeah, they were still glad they didn't see the ghostly woman whenever they drove back home, which is a good thing. So yeah, the boyfriend and the girlfriend sat on the couch to look at a Christmas movie while they ate their food, whatever they were having to eat. Okay, story number two. A man was sitting at home during a blizzard storm. He was waiting for his wife to get back home from work. So yeah, he was sitting in his living room that night waiting for his wife to get back home from work because she was at work during the snowstorm. So yeah, the man had to go outside to he went outside to scoop up some snow from his driveway. So he was outside scooping snow out of his driveway. While he's scooping out snow in his driveway, he thought he heard a strange noise. So he heard something outside in the snow while he was shoveling it out of his driveway. So he thought somebody was outside with him, but no one was not outside with him. So he was getting a feeling that he was being watched. So he, so yeah, he had a strange feeling that he was being watched. But he was still shoveling the snow out of his driveway, and he still heard that weird noise. That he had no idea what it was, but no one was not outside with him. So yeah, he was still waiting for his wife to get back home from work. But he was already done shoveling the snow from his driveway. And he still had no idea what was outside, so he steps back outside to go investigate the strange sound. So yeah, the man still could not find what was outside. He so I for some reason I got a feeling that there was a ghost outside watching him. So yeah, that's what I feel like. So yeah, maybe there was a ghost outside watching him or something like that. But he went back in his house, and finally his wife was home from work. So yeah, his wife was finally back home from work. And he was telling her that while he was shoveling the snow from his driveway, he kept on hearing strange noises. So yeah, he was telling his wife he kept hearing strange noises outside his driveway while he was shoveling the snow out. So yeah, his wife thought that maybe it was a ghost that was making those strange sounds outside. His wife said, but maybe it was a ghost that was making those strange sounds outside. So yeah, I got I got a feeling that it was probably a ghost making those strange sounds outside of the man's driveway. So yeah, the man was still a little bit terrified of the noises that he heard coming from outside. So yeah, he was still a little bit terrified of the strange sounds he was hearing outside from shoveling the snow from his driveway. So yeah, his wife was telling him that everything was gonna be fine and that there is no such thing as ghost. But but yeah, there is such thing as ghosts. So yeah, there is such thing as ghosts. So yeah, the man was still a bit terrified of the strange noises he heard outside. So yeah, he had the most scariest feeling that he was being watched outside. Okay, now time for the last story. Story number 3. So, a woman was driving out during a blizzard. She was driving to to Walmart during a blizzard. While she was driving to Walmart, she thought something wasn't right. So yeah, she makes it to Walmart and she goes in and she gets whatever she needs. So yeah, she gets whatever she needed. So yeah, she got whatever she needed out of Walmart and she got back into her car. As she was getting back into her car, she saw something strange in the parking lot, in the Walmart parking lot. She saw a strange man standing in the parking lot. It looked like he was watching her. So yeah, she was being stalked by this strange man. So yeah, she safely got back in her car and she drove back home. And while she's driving back home, she could see headlights right behind her. And guess what? The man was following her. So yeah, the man was following her back home in the blizzard. So yeah, she called the police on this man because he was following her back home. He was from the Walmart parking lot. So she called the police on this man and the police arrived. So yeah, the police finally arrived and they told the man to freeze and come out of his car. So yeah, the police arrested the man. So yeah, they arrested the man for stalking this woman and following her home. So yeah, they had no idea who this man was, but the woman had no idea who this man was the most. So yeah, they did arrest the man and they took him to jail. And the woman was safe from the man from the Walmart parking lot. So she was safe and she never saw this man again. So yeah, it was during a blizzard snowstorm and the woman never saw the man again. So that was 3 scary blizzard horror stories. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, then make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel because I'm uploading every single day this week. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. And happy holidays and Merry Christmas.